Okay, how many of you have students who didn't do very well at the beginning, but after a while they start to improve? How many of you have experienced that?
For sustainability education to be actually impactful, we have to provide opportunities for them to take action. There is actually a lot of evidence that if you teach in a way that is more interactive, it takes longer, but students actually learn the content better because they have engaged in it.
Interventions into the indigenous environment. Rather than that, we must acknowledge what is there in the native environment and we make use of the benefits. Continuing speaking about the wood, if the wood is extracted from the forest and is providing some benefit to our human society, let's say you carve a very beautiful airplane.
So this game can be incorporated when played with the students in the class so that they get a hands-on experience of what is happening in their local area and think on those lines in future.
So the first question is that how do you think about the problem that we change the teaching methods but we don't change the ways of evaluation?